enthusiasm. The process of designing starts off with an idea. We make sure every testing detail is precise and on point. Magnesium alloy is one of the lightest raw materials used in Formula One racing. Transforming your driving experience into a thing of beauty. We keep close tabs on every production process. We make sure every angle and surface are perfectly defined. In our own production lines and dust-free lab, we provide custom service. We ensure the highest quality to meet the strictest German TÜV certification and undergo physical testing to build our standards. Lightweight is one of the key factors for performance and durability. We produce the lightest and quality guaranteed wheels in the industry. We deliver our products to the world and continue to devote our passion for racing.
My time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my